Good morning from Ogs Mechanics technicians, Alex and Steph. So we've got this Porsche Cayenne non-starting. Car came in because some control units have been replaced by a garage. What it is, show you now. So it's basically the rear electronic module located here in the boot. It's this module. What it seems that had happened here, as you can see, spots from the water ingress. We suspect that all came from the sunroof drain. Anyway, it was a lot of moisture. This is the new module. The old module got soaked in water, and then it was burnt out. The complete board was burnt out. A replacement is now installed, and we are at the stage where we have to perform programming, connecting to it with the Porsche dealer tool. We see the faults of the Immobiliser nut, coding, and VTS, the drug recognition system. But yeah, first thing is to code the control unit, then perform the Immobiliser function. So just to give you a glimpse on what we have here. So we'll perform those tasks, and then we should hopefully get the car running shortly. We're gonna perform an automatic coding procedure. This procedure is gonna take a few minutes, so we'll do that, and we'll see afterwards. Here's Florian,
Nice to meet
the
you.
master tech. So after this procedure will be carried out, then we have to go back into the special function and select the Immobiliser realign procedure to be able to delete the Immobiliser fault from the rear electronic module. So this is going to take a while. We'll perform that, and we'll see afterwards. So the coding procedure has been completed successfully, and now we have to move to the next stage. So once this is done, under the fault memory, we should not have the coding fault any longer. So let's see, try to clear the fault. So we are now left only with the Immobiliser function. What we have to do, we have to go back and then perform the special function of the Immobiliser. This procedure is done with online Porsche tool. It goes out through the whole process. It's basically gonna pair all the control units. Communication takes a bit. It's again a procedure that takes probably several minutes, around 5 to 10 minutes, something like that. as the communication for some reason is not very fast on those cars. So we need to log in now into the dealer platform. We are now logged in, successful, and this is the course of action that the procedure has to complete in order to align all the control units and then get the engine running. Now we are at the procedure of learning the keys. The car has three keys. So we're learning all of them one by one. Communication is a bit slow. Shortly we should have the third key learned, and then the commission process is gonna go through a checking stage, and then you should complete once you receive the correct feedback from all the control unit that have been aligned. So all the steps, they've been completed successful. The commission of the Immobiliser, it is completed now. All those steps, they're quite long steps. With this diagnostic tool, they have been completed, and it's just the final step. And then the fault it should be able to clear in the rear electronics module. So this function is now being completed. An engine starts. So this was the procedure of programming the rear electronic modules, following water ingress and damage caused to it. Immobiliser procedure completed successfully using the Porsche dealer tool. Another glimpse in our activity in Ogs Mechanics here. Thanks for watching, and get in touch if you need assistance with any Porsche programming.